Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today is day 14 of hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018. And today's prompt is news. And so when I was thinking about that, I was thinking about all the ways that we get news, how things have changed over the years. You know, in the United States, the Pony Express was how many people received their news, and it would take months, weeks, however long it would take, depending on the mode of transportation, because many times it was these guys with stuff on ponyback that were running between cities, carrying these satchels full of news for everyone. So I was thinking about news and how far we've gone, and then how disgruntled people are with the news these days. We're heading into a holiday season here in the U.S. Whether you're celebrating Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever it is your family celebrates, we need to express joyful news and sharing of joyful thoughts with our fellow human beings. And so that's what I want to express with my page today, is to express joyful news and to share warm, friendly thoughts for the holiday season. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy my page. I hope you enjoy our month-long challenge. And I am grateful for each and every one of you that comes to join me. I am nearing 4,000 subscribers, and I will have a giveaway soon. So hang on, bear with me, and we'll see if we can get through this holiday season unscathed together. So thanks for watching, and remember to be kind and love one another. Bye for now.